Imagination. Rather than using our imaginations to build air castles or on daydreams that elevate self, put your imaginations on God's love for us, on plans for helping others, on plans for bringing joys to others. Self-talk. Pay attention to your self-talk. If you find yourself thinking negative or self-critical thoughts, cast them down and replace them with hopeful and godly thoughts. Controlling your thoughts. Remember that you have the power to choose your thoughts. If a negative thought pops into your mind, don't dwell on it. Instead, replace it with a positive one. Growing your ability to control your thoughts. Pray regularly and ask God to help you control your thoughts. He will give you the strength and wisdom you need. Regarding imaginations and thoughts. Casting down imaginations, and every high thing that exalts itself against the knowledge of God, and bringing into captivity every thought to the obedience of Christ. 2 Corinthians 10:5. Regarding harmful selfish thoughts. Pluck it out and cast it from thee. Matthew 5:29. Regarding past regrets and thoughts of failures of the past. Brethren, I count not myself to have apprehended, but this one thing I do, forgetting those things which are behind, and reaching forth unto those things which are before. Philippians 3:13. Regarding maintaining healthy thoughts. Praying always with all prayer and supplication in the Spirit, and watching thereunto with all perseverance and supplication for all saints. Ephesians 6:18. Regarding our thought goals. I press toward the mark for the prize of the high calling of God in Christ Jesus. Philippians 3:14. Final thoughts. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Philippians 4:8.